From deep UV to SWIR, when it comes to high-performance optical filters, many companies turn to Chroma Technology. And today I'm joined by Chris Conca to explore what sets them apart. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning.
Chroma Technology has a fairly unique company structure. Can you explain what that structure is and why it's important to the company and, of course, its customers?
Well, it is unique, yes, important, very. Chroma Technology is a 100% employee-owned company. That mindset is embedded into our culture. And that culture creates a sense of pride, accountability, and a shared work ethic. And kudos to the 6 founding members of Chroma who 35 years ago actually saw fit to create a company that was based on employee ownership. When you're an owner, you take great care in making every decision, whether you're an individual or part of a Chroma team, in ensuring that you consider the longevity and health of the company, the employee body, the community you live in, and our customer base. Quality and customer satisfaction are not just words that we put on a website, they are actually personal commitments that we make to ourselves. The structure that I'm talking about empowers us all, again, whether you're an individual or part of a Chroma team, to innovate and to create and foster long-term relationships with our customers that are based on trust and mutual success.
Chroma is well known for its wide range of optical filters across scientific, imaging and detection industries. But what really sets Chroma apart from the other suppliers?
Well, these broad capabilities allow us to work with the customers from inception, proof of concept and prototype stages, right through and including production volumes, all under one roof. We utilize advanced thin film techniques and software, extensive technical expertise and scientific knowledge to provide optical filters to a variety of industries: life sciences, astronomy, aerospace, pharmaceutical, defense, and auto industries, just to name a few. The range of capabilities allows us to work directly with the customers to solve potential issues during development, to come up with optical filters that truly fit the application. It also means that we can react quickly and be highly effective at drawing insights from different technologies and disciplines.
We've seen a lot of promotion here on the Chroma stand with the message 35 years and beyond. What's the story behind that?
35 years and beyond for Chroma represents resilience, craftsmanship, and creativity, but it also reflects the decades of learning, adaptability, while continually pushing the envelope in photonics. Chroma has evolved over the years from a focused optical filter company that supplied filters to the fluorescence market to a global technology leader, all while continuing to embrace our core values. This milestone is a celebration of our people, the engineers and all the technicians and our partners whose expertise and determination have helped shape Chroma's reputation for quality and reliability.
Optics.org has been hearing about Chroma Technologies' Retro campaign. What is it and what are you hoping to achieve with it?
Well, the Retro campaign was inspired by a desire to reconnect with our roots and celebrate the journey that got us to where we are today. Looking back at Chroma's start helps us all appreciate the resourcefulness that defined our early days. At the same time, this campaign highlights how these values are with us still today and leading us forward to our 40th year celebration. The campaign is also a way to honor our history by sharing stories that resonate with our long-term customers and our new audiences.
Chroma has a strong legacy in optical filters, but the industry keeps evolving. How do you balance that history with the need to innovate for what's next?
At Chroma, our past is not in any way a liability, but is in fact foundational. We highly respect the craftsmanship, problem-solving mindset, and the customer focus that built our company. And we carry those principles forward, while at the same time we invest in new technologies and capabilities. We use a consultative approach where we work with the customer to solve potential issues with development. And by combining decades of experience, fresh ideas, and emerging talent, this balance allows us to stay true to ourselves as a company while continually evolving to meet future needs.
Chris, It's clear Chroma's employee-driven culture and technical expertise have powered 35 years of high-quality optical filter solutions. And as specifications become more demanding and applications more complex, that blend of heritage and innovation will be key. Chris, thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.